Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I had my phone pick up BH Take Me to Ibiza palette. I love BH palettes. These run around $20 from Ulta. And my boyfriend John bought me this one day because I was like, oh my gosh, I need this in my collection because I want to collect all of these. I have Take Me to Brazil, Take Me to Brazil Rio edition, and now I have this. So I really do enjoy the formula in these. And these are like shimmers and mattes, no pressed glitters, but shimmers and mattes, and they're pretty good. And I had my phone pick up all the colors that I should be wearing today. Very neutral. I love this bright orange. It's a matte, this orange shimmer, this brown shimmer, this really light base coat, and like a dark brown for like the outer crease. Okay, I'm going in with this kind of brush just to set my eyeshadow, and it'd be this color right here. The lightest color. I'm just gonna set my eyes with this, and it's like pigmented even though it's a light color. That's like one of my favorites. I'm going in with this kind of brush and going in with this dark brown here. Going in the crease area. Try my best to make like a V. I'm gonna use this brush now. Going in with the same color, dark brown, and going underneath. Okay, so I dug into this color. Now I'm going into this color, this orange color. Okay, with the same brush, I'm just gonna go in like patting it all around the lid over like towards the brown. I think now that I see it, it's black. Like a dark brownish black color. Just going in. So it's like a Halloween-esque color scheme, which is nice. They're decorating a little bit where I live. And I don't know if there's gonna be any trick-or-treaters, but I think we should buy candy just in case if there is. I don't know how we're gonna do it. It's the first time we lived in town, and we never had trick-or-treaters where I used to live, so this should be interesting. 20 years living in the desert. And if you live in apartments, they don't really do Halloween either. So it's like, where I lived, we usually go somewhere for Halloween. Never really passed out candy before in a long time. So I'm just gonna leave the inner portion blank for now. Just like patting around the eyelid. Okay, going in with a shimmery orange. If I only had one brush, I just noticed I would probably have this brush. You could use so much with this brush. If I could just pick one brush, it would be this one. this kind of brush. Okay, I'm going in with the shimmery orange right next to the orange that I dug into. It'll be that one. I'm just going in the inner portion of the eye. In the inner corner. Okay, I'm going in with the shimmery brown right here. Same brush again. I'm going in the rest of the under eye, the shimmery brown. And here is the finished look. I like the orange color. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.